Everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are good. I welcome you again to an interesting DIY video where you're going to learn some new and amazing craft. Let's see what are we gonna do. Just put your thumb in the watercolor and then make the dots like this, and again with the help of earbuds give it a final look. Again take the round brush and then make the dots like this and make a beautiful flower in this manner. What you have to do, you have to make the flower look like this, and then again you have to do the same procedure. Let's see what in the end are we going to do now. Keep on making these lovely patterns of colorful shades, and in the end what are we gonna do? You just have to put the shades like this, join them one over the other using stick like this, and again with the help of black marker you have to make the eyes and smileys in this way. And yes, again with the help of this round brush you have to give the imprints in this manner. Now with the help of your finger you have to give the dots like this and then make the lines look like this. And then what you have to do, you have to just paste it in this manner. And yes, your drawing is definitely gonna ready be super. Isn't it looking amazing? Now with the help of sketch pen, make the spirals and round shape like this. Take another pen and then make it look like this. Now paste the watercolor in this manner. Paste 3 googly eyes and your monster is ready to go. Make it look like this with the help of black marker and paste the eyes and make it look like this, a kind of horror one. You can make as many as you want, and these monsters are ready to rock. Keep on proceeding in this way, and let's see what are we going to do now. Again you have to make the spiral and spread the water like this, and you will get an amazing imprint in this way. Make the legs like this and let's see, join it in this manner, and yes, it is ready. Again you have to make the dots around all over it and make the spirals in this way, and yes, it is ready. Isn't it amazing? Again what you have to do, you have to make it look like your jellyfishes are ready. Yes, with the help of black marker decorate them further and your drawing is ready. Isn't it looking pretty amazing? You can actually enjoy the picture. Keep on proceeding in this manner, and let's see what are we going to do now. And yes, what you have to do, you have to make the spirals again like this and join them in this way. Now let's see what are we going to do now. Make the spirals like this, and here it is ready. Keep on proceeding in this manner, and what you have to do, you just have to paste and the water in this manner, spread it like this, and yes, in the end you will be amazed to see the result. Yes, make the small creatures in this manner and it's ready. Again you have to take it in this manner with the help of this round brush. Put the cherries like this, and your cherries join them using the paint brushes and paste the leaves on the corner, and it will give your drawing a realistic. You can give the imprints like this. Isn't it amazing? Super amazing. Your drawing is definitely gonna be lovely. Now what you have to do, again you have to spread the paper and then the watercolor you have to give the imprints in this manner until you get a beautiful amazing result. And yes, you are going to enjoy the beauty. Isn't it amazing? Thank you so much for watching.